So we have something called our sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic. Sympathetic is the body's fight and flight response, but we live in a society of constant stress. We're stressed every day, all the time. And so for most people, that sympathetic nervous system is always firing. And so you need to shift and tap into that parasympathetic nervous system, which is that calm nervous system, calms the brain down, calm the nervous system down. Beta-hydroxybutyrate can actually help balance any dysregulation. Often it's a matter of managing that nervous system that's overfiring. And we've found that ketone bodies help to maintain a balance in those nervous systems. And so a lot of people have reported sleeping better when they take their exogenous ketones. And that could be because of that calming effect it has on the nervous system.
Our body communicates through chemical messengers. But not only that, it uses these chemical messengers to respond to our environment. So cells are microscopic, but they're incredibly complex in both their composition and their behavior. And communication between and within these cells requires these things called chemical messengers. We now know that ketones function as chemical messengers. So ketones that are produced by our livers, for example, in a state of nutritional ketosis, have many different effects within the cell. They can go into the mitochondria and be metabolized for energy, and that itself can communicate a lot about the environment to the body. And they can even interact with our DNA in a way that controls what genes we're expressing.
So we know ketones may reduce the production of reactive oxygen species. These are nasty little molecules that can induce DNA damage. We also know that ketones can improve the capacity to buffer reactive oxygen species by increasing antioxidant defenses.
We know from research and what goes on when we're eating a ketogenic diet that the D isoform is the form that your body takes up and utilizes at a cellular level. PRÜVIT is the only company that has a naturally fermented D form of ketones that has been shown to have the greatest bioavailability and the greatest overall effect.
I would rather have the one that is the way your body makes it. So it typically means something that is identical as possible to the hormone that your body would have made. So it's typically meant to mean non-synthetic or an exact match to what your body would have made. So I would prefer to take, if I'm taking exogenous ketones, that same kind.